slightly more aggressive feeling. Rear wheel drive, so you can tell that it's kind of wanting to slip out a bit. There's obviously a lot of weight around rear with that removable hardtop. But it feels pretty intuitive because you've got the V8 it's basically under here. It's put as central as possible. So, but a bit more towards the front, and then you've got that weight round back. It feels decently balanced. I mean, it's not a light car, you know, it's not a hardcore sports car, but for, you know, how usable, comfortable it feels as soon as you hop in. So see, no stress when you're driving around town like this. It's really not that intimidating. You've got a really cool JBL sound system, 3-way memory seats, obviously the latest greatest kind of technology from there. And it feels like a good mix. Now, where does this sit with the Portofino? It is true that you've got two kind of real daily potential cars. So it's, yeah, you really just need to pick which one you kind of prefer. This one obviously being able to be convertible. That is kind of what makes this car pretty special. But the M, they really tried to push on that slightly more sporty side that you expect from a Ferrari.